The last ribbon that exists under the specialized area is the format ribbon. So when I click on it, you'll see what this pretty much covers is the formatting area. The far left is our current selection, which is the same as we had in the layout, where you can choose the components of the graph and do something with them. You can play with the shape styles, so you'll see as I hover over them they change. There's a whole selection of them, so you can see you can make your graph really look nice. There's a shape fill, and these are pretty generic. Outline and the effects, you can do all of that, word art styles, etc. What I'd like to show you is, if you look here, there's the size, so you can play with your chart to get it exactly the size you want. But quite important here at size, you'll see this little arrow here, and what that tells you is there's something else behind it. When I click on it, you'll see you get a couple of options. So there's the size options. You can choose that and how it's going to work. Some properties. Now this is quite important, and let's just look at this carefully. What you'll see at the moment, it's set to move and size with cells. What does that mean? I come here, I close this. Let me take this column and increase it like that. Notice that your graph has been affected, it's been stretched. Let's just undo. What we can do if we click on size and we go to properties, one of the options says move but don't size with cells, and don't move or size with cells. I'm going to use that one and just say close. Let's do the same thing. Come here, increase the size. Notice that although the column has changed, the graph has stayed the same. Very useful to make sure that formatting at the end of a project doesn't make your perfect graph not so perfect anymore. Just looking at the size again, you'll see you can decide whether you're allowed to print the object, whether it's locked. And alt text just gives you the ability to type in some word in here, which helps with web browsers.